Oh man, guys, just got my package from Whole Foods and they delivered these Gardein burgers that I'm about to eat and throw them on some salad real quick. So if you don't feel like having a burger and putting bread on it, just get one of these and throw it in the pot. I already got some onions prepared to the side. I'm gonna have to make two because you know, other one is for Mrs. King's. Alright guys, so it looked like my burgers are ready. Let me take them out and show you how I slice them for my salad. I normally just grab them, put them down, slice them up. So I just pick it up, put it in the pot, and let it sit there. Get some tissue, wipe down my station. You need a clean station, guys, to do your work, right? Get my plate, get my salad. This is the one that I use. It has everything in it. It's really, really good for you guys. So I recommend you guys get that. So I just grab some and put it on the dish. That should be good enough. And then I just take some tomatoes, just like set them all over. You know, I like to play with my food, so don't mind me. So we're gonna put that to the side. And then I'm gonna get some peppers. Just chop them up real fine. So you always gotta keep your station clean, guys. When I cook, I don't only cook like this while I'm on TV for you guys. I do the same thing when I'm cooking for my family. After I finish cutting up my peppers, I go straight to my beets. Just cut them up. Today I was very disappointed because I ordered these beets to juice and look how small they came. They're real small. Like it's like the same size as a quarter. And I'm very, very disappointed today with my groceries, but this is okay. I'll just use it to create, you know, some more veggies for my salad. So yeah, today I just wanted to like make a little video as to what you see like I eat. Like most of the times, like honestly, I don't want to eat sometimes, and I don't know why that happens, but I eat so much that when I, you know, because this salad is, I'm going to eat the salad and then I'm going to probably have some almonds or some cashews and some water. I drink a lot of water, guys. I monitor everything. And I'm just trying to have a better life. And, you know, a better life means eating better and doing better. And, you know, I'm not telling anybody to follow my path, but my body has been in a lot of pain. And I didn't even know that I was destroying myself. But now that I know, I need to do better. And I just want the same for y'all. So I just go and just start slicing these beautiful beets. They're so beautiful, guys. They look like roses. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Look at that. Alright, so now what I want to do is, you know, just put these everywhere, you know, just play with them. They're beets. What are they going to do? They're not going to hurt you guys. Then you want to get some of your peppers. And you just make the plate colorful and beautiful and wonderful. And you just want every single color. And I guess some black pepper. I do this just to make the plate look good. Alright guys, so I just put some garlic, just to make it pretty. The meat, and then I'm just gonna place it. Doesn't even matter where you place it, you just place it. Now that is a salad. When I eat my salad, I like to top it with some ranch. This is the first time I'm trying this. I never tried this before. I normally used to buy the one that I showed you guys, but unfortunately it's been sold out due to the quarantine. Everybody's been stacking up. Alright, so just give it a little shake. And I just want to put it. It's kind of watery, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be. Avocado oil. Oh, so this is avocado oil ranch. Pretty cool. So I just take some of this Daya mozzarella shreds and I just throw it on there. Just to make it look pretty and tasty, because again, I like to play with my food. So that's it, guys. It's all done. This is it. Oh, before I forget, I like to put my little parsley in there too. So put that in there. Just like that. That's it.
Maybe I can't bear reading me, only me alone. I can't leave on like this.
Guess what, guys? My cheeseburger salad is finally ready. Now let's see how it tastes. Let's take a bite. You guys have to try this. Let me drink some kombucha. Wow. If you guys loved what you just saw, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. And every single week, I will bring the best content to you that I could bring. Peace.